Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. You will need 2 bananas, 150 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of demerara sugar, 2 eggs, 150 grams of butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. So in a bowl to your sugar add your butter or margarine and cream until well combined. Then add your eggs, give it a mix, and then with your bananas you want to mash them until they're nice and mashed. Then add this to your bowl and give it a really good mix. And then you want to add your self-raising flour, your mixed spice and your cinnamon and give it a really good mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then you want to grease and line a 2-pound loaf tin. Put your mixture into the loaf tin, just levelling out. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make banana bread.